Hi, I'm Alex from Graco, and this is Courtney and Mills, and we're going to show you how to use the Cradle Me Lite 3-in-1 carrier. There are 3 modes of use. Here's how to put it into newborn mode. First, you'll put the carrier over your head. Next, you'll clip the waist belt, and then tighten it just a little bit before you put baby in. Next, you'll adjust the back adjuster. You can either do it yourself before you put on the carrier, or you can have a friend help you out. Next, you'll put the loops over the front buttons. And then you'll put the loops over the side buttons. And these 4 buttons are just for newborn mode, and you'll just have to do it once until your baby is ready for the next stage. Then you'll make sure that the head support is flipped up and you're ready to put baby in. Once baby is in, using one hand to support baby, clip both of the magnetic buckles. Next, you'll buckle both of the side clips. And then you'll adjust all the straps to make sure everything is secure and comfortable. Lastly, make sure that baby's close enough to kiss and you're ready to go.